Hey everyone, Greg here with CarID.com. Welcome back to the shop for another DIY guide. Now, it's no secret that regardless of the car that you have, our vehicle's paint takes a beating over time. Harmful UV rays, harmful weather conditions really can take its toll on a car. But instead of shelling out a huge chunk of change to get your car repainted, there are other things that you can do to restore some of that beautiful shine into your factory paint job. And today, we're going to use this 2001 Mustang as our template. Now, this car, being a 2001, has built up a ton of oxidation on this paint over the years. And I'm going to show you, using some of the Rixsu detailed products, on how to get rid of that oxidation and restore that mirror-like finish that it had when it rolled off the assembly line. Let's go ahead and get started. In this video, we are going to use 3 products from the Rixsu Detail catalog. They are Pre-Surface Prep, which removes all previous wax and polishes to prep the paint, the Pre-Polish Formula to cut through years of oxidation, and their Finishing Polish to restore that mirror-like shine. To get this done at home, get yourself a good orbitable buffer and a cutting and polishing pad. These pads are commonly available in either foam or cotton, and in this video, we're going to use cotton pads. But before you even think about letting that buffer touch the surface, make sure it's clean. We recommend to thoroughly wash the entire car with soap and water, and then wipe down the entire vehicle using Rixsu's Pre-Surface Prep to remove any prior waxes and polishes. To clearly demonstrate each step, we're taping off a small section on the roof. It's also a good idea to use painter's tape on exterior trim like mirrors, cowls, and door handles to protect those surfaces from the polish. With the surface clean and dry, we can start the polishing process using Rixsu's Pre-Polish. Again, this polish is designed to cut through years of oxidation and prep the paint for the finishing polish. With a cutting pad attached to your buffer, apply 4 to 5 quarter-sized dots on the pad and then dab the pad across the work surface to evenly spread the polish. Turn the buffer on, and keeping the pad flat to the work surface while applying even pressure, work the buffer across the surface horizontally and then vertically. Keep the buffer moving and do not let it sit idle in one place, because doing so can potentially burn the paint. Now we're ready to restore your paint's shine using Rixsu's Finishing Polish. Install the finishing pad onto the buffer and apply 5 quarter-sized dots of polish and spread it evenly onto the work surface. Repeat the same process used in the last step, keeping the buffing pad flat to the painted surface, working horizontally and vertically until the polish has been evenly applied, and then wipe off the excess polish with a clean microfiber cloth. And just look at this difference. It only takes some time, patience, and a few detailed products from Rixsu to remove years of oxidation and restore that incredible mirror-like finish to any paint job. Now you can take what you've learned and apply the same steps to the rest of the vehicle. We recommend to work on one panel at a time to keep things manageable and organized, which is why we focused on just the roof in this video. Alright guys, well that is it. That's how easy it is to restore that mirror-like finish and get rid of years of oxidation using Rixsu's Pre-Polish and Finishing Polish. All it takes is some time and patience, and you guys can do this yourself in your own garage. Now, if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more DIY guides, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com. I'll see you guys next time.